Hello everyone, welcome to Madhavi Vlogs. This video is a continuation of part 1 cover demonstrative session by Mr. Vijay Narasimha, teacher of Kendriya Vidyalaya, Mysore. He suggested some classroom teaching techniques. మన రెగ్యులర్ టీచింగ్ లెర్నింగ్ ప్రాసెస్లో కొన్ని క్రియేటివ్ యాక్టివిటీస్ని ఇంక్లూడ్ చేసే ప్రయత్నం చేసినట్లయితే తరగతి గది వాతావరణాన్ని ఎంతో ఆసక్తిగా మార్చుకోవచ్చు. ముఖ్యంగా ఇంగ్లీష్ని బోధించే సమయంలో తరగతిలో ఇంగ్లీష్ ఎన్వైర్న్మెంట్ని ఆవిష్కరించుకోవాలి. జాయ్ఫుల్ అండ్ చైల్డ్ సెంట్రిక్ యాక్టివిటీస్ అండ్ గేమ్స్ని ఇంక్లూడ్ చేస్తూ బోధన చేసే ప్రయత్నం చేయాలి. ఆల్సో వీ నెవర్ డూ అన్ అటెంప్ట్ టు టీచ్ గ్రామర్ ఇన్ అన్ ఐసోలేషన్ బట్ వీ ఇంటిగ్రేట్ ఇట్ త్రూ యాక్టివిటీస్. విద్యార్థికి స్వేచ్ఛను కల్పిస్తూ జాయ్ఫుల్ ఎన్వైర్న్మెంట్లో బోధనాభ్యసన ప్రక్రియ జరిగే విధంగా తరగతి గది వాతావరణం ఉండాలి. He picked a lesson from class 4 English Blossoms unit number 2 Major Dhyan Chand. This is the picture given in the textbook for pre-reading. Pre-reading కోసం ఇచ్చిన ఈ చిత్రంలో ఆటల్లో వినియోగించే కొన్ని ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఇవ్వబడినవి. He defined learning objective for pre-reading part is know about a great personality related to sports. ఈ చిత్రానికి సంబంధించిన వస్తువుల గురించి పిల్లల్ని మాట్లాడిస్తూ కొన్ని ప్రశ్నల ద్వారా ఆటల్లో మంచి పేరును సంపాదించిన కొన్ని ఎమినెంట్ అండ్ గ్రేట్ పర్సనాలిటీస్ యొక్క పేర్లను ఇక్కడ రాబట్టవచ్చు. He introduced an activity here that is unscrambling words. Here we elicit many responses from our children by brainstorming. Also he introduced National Sports Day August 29th here, which will be given in main reading part. Next, he announced about the topic Major Dhyan Chand. Also in pre-reading part, he introduced a short video. This video belongs to 1936 Olympics hockey final. So this pre-reading part యొక్క ముఖ్య ఉద్దేశము విద్యార్థులకు మెయిన్ రీడింగ్ కాంటెక్స్ట్ వైపు ఆసక్తి కలిగించే విధంగా ప్రేరేపించటం. Next, the second step is while reading part. He considered here the paragraphs 1 and 2. The foremost step is model reading by the teacher, that is reading aloud by the teacher. He played an audio clip that is model reading by the teacher related to the lesson. Next, students take turn and read a sentence each aloud after listening to a model reading. Next step is silent reading. He introduced an interesting vocabulary activity. He named it as ATM activity. Here ATM is answer telling machine. In this activity, word meanings of unfamiliar words are readily kept in a counter, and students in charge of the counter pass on the card with correct meaning. And the other activity is fish pond activity. ఈ యాక్టివిటీలో పిల్లలు అడిగిన విభిన్న ప్రశ్నలను ఒక బాక్స్లో either on a board or a chart, we can display those questions in a box. We will give a label to the box like fish pond, and we will ask some other students to answer those questions. Finally, teacher will conclude the answers to the unknown questions. And also he introduced another activity, that is vocabulary quiz. Teacher gives some description to the particular words and students will guess the word. We know that these kind of repetitive tasks are child-centric activities which help our children to learn the input easily. After while reading part, step 3 is post-reading. He defined a learning objective here, that is children will be able to know about pronouns and identify them in a sentence. Also, he suggested an activity here. The name of the activity is introducing friends with pronouns. For example, this is Mohan. He is my best friend. He likes cricket. The other children would say about his best friend or her best friend. Like this is Suma. She is my friend. She likes tennis. Using these kind of strategies, we can teach grammar through activities. He took another learning objective for the grammar part, that is children will be able to learn irregular plurals and use them in different sentences or contexts. he introduced some activities for plurals, like a child will say a word like book and the other child would say the word books. It is a plural word for the book. Also, we will introduce some words, those which are not having alphabet S at the end. So he suggested another activity, read and sing along the poem on irregular plural song, which is in YouTube. Next, coming to the writing part, he suggested some project works here, like preparation of album on students' favorite sports persons and picture with information. Also, we can use these portfolios for assessment based on presentation and content gathered by the children. Next, he introduced another interesting activity, that is guest of the day. For every unit at the end of the lesson, we will try to introduce a guest or a famous person related to the context. Particularly in this type of context, children will get motivated by their inspirational talks, and definitely these will change their perception of thoughts. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Keep watching Madhavi Vlogs.